Yeah, viewers and subscriber. Yo, viewers and subscriber, I want to know watch the video them and I want to know listen keenly. You understand already because boss, you remember me tell you no, say me figure quote the 13th of December, right? And really, what the judge tell we the last time we go court, we are come a meeting, we are going to have a meeting the 13th, that are the Wednesday. You understand my deed? So watch you now. Me work one night and me come in late, so me and I host lay down, me wake up late to come in figure work day and me wake up late. So by me wake up, if first somebody me see who call me, and Mr. Thomas people, me and me couldn't know what go on, me and me couldn't know the lawyer too. You understand my deed? Mr. Thomas call me. So when Mr. Thomas call me, them a say, oh, them a go have a meeting with we by the office on Zoom. Because them a ask if me have Zoom, me tell them no. So they say me if you come up, if me can't come up, me say yes. So me say okay, me go come up. You understand me already? Because watch you know, the last day we go court sometime around the 22 November. Either 22 or 28. One out of them 2 days. You understand me already? So them say we are going to have meeting. So guys, me not lie if you tell you. The Tuesday, Elijah call me, say me if you come up there. When we go up there now, we in the meeting. Watch. Me I pay $200 from me youth at 2 months old. Me used to pay in a St. George's. You understand me did? And it up. Me pay 2 times in a St. George's. And it up and it go Granville. You understand me did? Because what them a try if you do now, they don't want nothing coming at St. George's. You understand me did? Because they know what them a plan for do. So people, me not lie if you tell you. When me got the meet, you know, she require $300 a month. Me I pay $200 for the youth at 2 months old. Now the youth, don't know where half catch 5-year-old yet. I'm a 4-year-old. And she require $300 a month. You have one little girl pitney, you not get nothing from the daddy. Nobody now tell me that. Me know that. And you know, say me know. Because you have to struggle if you send him to school and do certain things in book and in something. Them, hey, me know everything what I want. So you have to say, for me, hey, every month, Malika get $200. And he could either get more. Because watch you know, me get her clothes from my sister. And I have to sell it back in the daycare. People, I will tell you now how I get to see me youth too. I will show you what go on what day with the 12th of December. So she require she want $300 a month. Me tell them as long as me youth there around me, you will get anything but no money now come out of me hand and go to she fi Malachi because I don't know what you want if you do. You understand me? Me don't know the system. So film lawyer and female lawyer now, them boss, then say, okay. Me tell them straight up, me not paying it. But you want $300 a month. Go look work or put for sale on your forehead. Me tell you already, you know. Me tell you from the first day you can't go a court for child maintenance, put for sale on your forehead. And people, I go show you what go on in a meeting now. When the meeting done, because them go tell me about Vice Note. Vice Note to me I run a she from Jamaica. Me I run her away. People want to believe this. Me I run with the girl from Jamaica. Send him some Vice Note and diss him up. A girl come a Grenada in a Granville courthouse and I play them. You understand me? I play me call lawyer here, but watch you know. The lawyer won't have is a Vatican. The lawyer we are use. Yeah. So people, watch this now. The lawyer, as when he talk, me know saying against me. So yeah, when me tell him, take back on no citizenship. You see the lawyer who represent me, him is the one who sending the citizenship to me. People, me not lie if you tell you. And watch you now. You see the girl who me married to, them know them one another. Well, I believe them a family. Some, I don't know, but them close. You understand what I did? And you hear where the lawyer tell me, Mr. Thomas. You hear what Mr. Thomas tell me? Family, I put in the citizenship. Anytime you get the citizenship, you divorce her because she no good. You know her fan, she's small. But people, I'm going to show you what I'm going now. Tuesday, the 12th of December. When the meeting done, because me if you go work today, and me never go work, you understand what I did? And I turn to Mr. Thomas and say, Mr. Thomas, you know, me work last night, and me if you go to the boat, I kind of wake late, so I want to call me no one. You understand what I did? He said, alright, he might go speak with the judge. People, want to listen? He might go speak with the judge. Me say, okay. So me say, Mr. Thomas, where me I got a quote for? Mr. Thomas can't tell me. Yeah, when Mr. Thomas turn to me and tell me, people want to know listen good. You hear when Mr. Thomas turn to me and tell me, if me no go look for the little boy car, you hear when Mr. Thomas say, arrangement. You a make arrangement for me see my son and 3 criminal charges upon me. People, when you listen what I want, you me have to laugh. So, yeah, when Mr. Thomas tell me, if me no go look for my son, them a go charge me. Me say, I don't say nothing. Me say, okay. People, you see me, I might look fooly. Me's a fool, but you see now this, it's very big. You see that brain that me have, it's very big. I'm very intelligent with it. You see, don't get me upset, I go upset. But me's a very intelligent youth when it comes to say anything at all. And a fool on I deal with. So when Mr. Thomas tell me if me no go look for the youth, them a go charge me. When he said that no, you're me in myself. Oh, say that come like say no, me don't want to mind the youth or you understand like me owe some money for the youth and me don't want to pay ya, me don't want to look for the youth. So you understand if me no go look for the youth, them a go charge me and you understand what I did? People, I don't say nothing at all. And you see the Friday evening car, we talking at the meeting say, they want me pick up the little boy every Friday evening and bring him back Monday. Me say no, because I work every night and I have to go out in idea too. You understand things that we can't do in idea, we have to do it at night. So I have to go out in idea. So what in idea too when I come in, more time I come in at night time. I come in late, I can't go work in idea and I figure out work. You understand me? I did hours and more time all 1 o'clock me get up out of my bed. People me not lie if you tell you no. So me tell the liar say, yo, you hear me? Every Saturday morning, I go talk to the people them when I work with. Every Saturday morning, I go pick up a little boy for 8 o'clock and bring him down because listen, she make arrangement as what she said. She make arrangement to leave the boy by the daycare and me pick up the little boy. Every 8 o'clock Saturday morning. People, watch what I want. Pick sense out of nonsense. You are my lawyer. That is Mr. Thomas. Mr. Thomas is my lawyer. He represent me. You get call from in the week say me are checking people. And you represent me and you don't call me and tell me. People, I will make a court in November. When me got a court, I find this so me I observe certain things. I understand me, but me as a youth now, me no jump to conclusion. Me talking at some of my video them and me tell the people, them say people, when you just listen, enough things me have to talk, but I don't want to talk now. So when me do now, he say he might get complaint and you know call me and tell me, call me in the office and policeman turn up in there. Yo, people, if she take out the first, I not even know she number. Me do YouTube. Look how dunks and stupid these people be. Me do YouTube. And you are going to complain and tell people me I send video on your phone. If you not follow me, when me drop my video, you don't get it. You hear me tell you? When me drop my video, if you not follow me, when me drop my video, you're not going to get it. So why you are follow me? Why you follow me on Facebook? Every time I post my video on Facebook, you get notifications. So the fuck? Hey, I don't want to get too rude. No, serious. Sorry about that. I don't want to get too rude. But me I post video with you. Me I check me you. What is bang belly goat? People, me I go show you something. Bamson, Friday morning, me text, Friday evening, me text Mr. Thomas and say, we're in Granville, me go pick up the little boy. Listen, you know, sometime in November, she call you and tell you, me I send check to she. She calling lawyer and telling lawyer, me I send check to she, and me I send video on her phone, me I send this on her phone. People, and not even have she, I don't know where she number start with. And me and her keep it together. So believe that. I want a liar girl. Let me tell you which she. Just when she in that chin, before me go there, so I go make you know what I want. Yeah, so people, pick sense out of nonsense. Oh, somebody we are tell lie upon you. I will call my lawyer and tell me I checking you. And you will represent me as my lawyer, Mr. Thomas. You may talk more. You see that video here. You will represent me. You are going to call me when me ask you which part in Granville the daycare, which one of the daycare in Granville, me go pick up the little youth. And you hear where you tell me, by your workplace. Are that we going to meeting for? Answer, Mr. Thomas, are that we going to meeting for? No, wasn't that. So what you going to do now? Try blame me and say, oh, me no want to go look for me pick me no want to go do this. Boss, let me tell you this, I'm ungrateful. And so we try to keep everything in a Granville. Because all I don't know one another. And me as a foreigner now, we don't have nobody here to say, yeah, if you stand up for me certain way. Because you don't know certain man, they have them things to do, not true. So that's how I try to feel say, hey, you know certain things that will go. Mr. Thomas, you know everything. Mr. Thomas, you can't go around me, Mr. Thomas. Remember me tell you that. Oh, somebody will call you and I tell you, me I send check to them. You are going to represent me as a lawyer. You are going to tell me if you go by your workplace, go pick up my son. Mr. Thomas, a fool you take me for. Yeah, I try to set up my life. And everybody you know, so they made a plan to kill me. Everybody know. Mr. Dead, when we go to Mr. Dead, and tell Mr. Dead, you hear what Mr. Dead say? He don't like Jamaican. I mean, go back to Pinnacle, that's why I mean come to you, Mr. Thomas. Me tell Pinnacle, say, yo, I don't want nothing to do with you, you know. As there's a God, you know, me even send the secretary some voice note today and make him know that, you know, because me don't show Pinnacle certain things on going on with boss. I don't eat that this, you know, yo. Me sit down and observe on you know, Mr. Thomas. So what you going to tell me? You are going to tell me now, somebody will call you and I tell you, me are checking them. You want me go by your workplace. Where's your workplace there? Mr. Thomas, where's your workplace there? Eh? Where's your workplace there, Mr. Thomas? In her house. I hear she do. She have her salon in her house. Mr. Thomas, where's your workplace there? In her house. So I set me up, Mr. Thomas, because them a tell lies, say me a come at the yard. And that's what you try to do. You try to send me at the girl yard. If you say, yeah, me I make trouble with them. As me reach up, they say, ooh, police come. Mr. Thomas, so you deal with? Mr. Thomas, me never ask you, me never beg you. You see the day when me come to you, you know how much money in my pocket, Mr. Thomas? Me not beg your boss. Me need a plea and I beg you if you do nothing to me. Ask Pinnacle when me tell him. Eh? Where you try to fuck me up? Mr. Thomas, we wine and come again, man. All of the texts when Mr. Thomas text me between both me and my wife and when Mr. Thomas tell me forward every frigging thing to me into Mr. Pinnacle. Mr. Thomas, so you deal with you set me up, boss. And people watch this now. To show you, me have to really wonder if I'm me I don't or I'm Mr. Thomas and his followers. Them people, 2 judge, 2 lawyer, and my ex, and me 1. You hear me tell you, Mr. Thomas, me ex, the 2 judge, 1 black one and 1 big mouth one. You understand me? I did and the girl lawyer. What I plan to do? Send me to prison. Eh? Me know everything's going on. Mr. Thomas, you know me talk what day, because watch you know. Me I say, oh, Mr. Thomas, oh, we fi make arrangement to pick up the baby by the daycare and Mr. Thomas tell me to go by your workplace. And the same person where I send me by your workplace, she I call you and I tell you, me a check now. Mr. Thomas, you deal with. Rasta Mr. Thomas and Granville. We know everything we want to do. We no clean. We no need to clean up. Clean up before you come to me. Ask Pinnacle, me tell him. Enough time me tell Pinnacle, say, yo, me don't want what to do with you. All the secretary, all the secretary, me that look for this and me know say this thing that happen. Me know. Because you see the first thing, the morning when me pick up the youth, when I text you, you hear when Mr. Thomas tell me, next week, that next week Saturday, because I decide that I now go by your workplace. Where's your workplace there? Mr. Thomas, where's your workplace there? In a she house. So why you want me to go to your workplace go pick up child? And she is the one that call you and I tell me I check she. Mr. Thomas, you know rate me. Me tell you, take back his citizenship. Me know say it you is the one make me get the citizenship. Take it back. Yeah, take it back. Where if you say me don't know, and me make she hungry. I know me make she hungry, you know. When me meet her and I ask her how much money when me get locked up at Trinidad, how much money me left her with? And I me go Jamaica and buy ticket and pay for marriage, not you. Ask her when me meet her how she in the fucking live. Mr. Thomas, you have a plan. What you have plan for me for? You think me don't know what I want? Me even tell some youth on the street. Me even send a message. Me send a message from the same time. Me come to Granville evening the next Saturday. When I text Mr. Thomas, nah answer the phone. Me text Mr. Thomas on a Wednesday. Answer Mr. Thomas, please. Me I ask you. Please me I remind you. Ask whatsoever she want name. I don't know if a dog she name or what. But me tell you. Remind she. Bring the baby by the police station. Did you? Even when I police someone phone, me say, me I use call your phone number in a police someone phone. I mean, no say you see it, Mr. Thomas. We have to say, you don't see it. And me text you, because when I come home now, me text you, Mr. Thomas, and tell you, when the game over, you can text me, Mr. Thomas. Yeah. Mr. Thomas, me tell you, me text you and tell you, when the game over, you can text me. Now, so me tell you, and me go back and say, matter of fact, do not text me and tell me nothing. Anything you have to tell me, tell Pinnacle. That time me don't send Pinnacle, he text them when me and your text. Mr. Thomas, everything me send Pinnacle. All of the text them when me and your text, you go tell me if you got the girl workplace. The same person where I tell you me I checking them, you want me go to workplace. That means that you want to have evidence. Mr. Thomas, me have evidence with you. Deal with the thing good. And hungry me left Jamaica come here. Hungry me left Jamaica hungry and come here. A woman can come here, you see? Ask her, me take her out of friggin' poverty. But anything your daddy tell you to do. And you make your daddy in that go pan you. And make your daddy in that go pan you. Mr. Thomas, you need to whine and come again. And them the thing don't love because my sister that in a uno don't want certain things coming at St. George's. Because if you come in at St. George's, boss, Mr. Thomas, remember when you just come a court. When you first day you come a court, right? 3 criminal charge. Where you tell the judge say? Where you tell the judge say? Hey, me put them up on social media already, you know. You can't charge him for one language. What is bang belly goat, Mr. Thomas? What is bag your face when you come a court? You suck a little money out of me and you want to suck a little blood out of me. Mr. Thomas, what that? A criminal charge? You don't need to go back to school. You don't want me to take no talk from Pinnacle. You know what I do. You don't want me to hide certain things from Pinnacle. You understand me? Because you don't like Pinnacle. You understand me? So that's what I try to do. So guess what? You know the court date. Hey people, me text Mr. Thomas. When me say yo, he not even reply. When me tell him say when the game over, me text Mr. Thomas and say, Mr. Thomas, when is the next court date? People all know Mr. Thomas no answer. You believe that? And watch. Today, people may have all of the texts in my phone. Hey, you know why them do this too? Me delete his number and block him. So me delete his number and block him. He text them I go come out on my phone, not true? Me have all of the text them when me forward to Pinnacle. Me forward them to Pinnacle and me block Thomas and delete your number. Can I tell Thomas when the game over? Because games don't know the pan. I don't come to play games with none of you. I don't know none like Jamaican. And not all on somehow because I know enough people who live with Jamaican right now. But enough of you who go live with Jamaican and go around Jamaican but you don't like it. You don't like it. You don't like it, you can get things. But you don't go so. What killing them? My YouTube video them, everything me put on social media. Me even tell people them, from what I tell people them, you know, and you might feel like you're boss. We why not come again, Mr. Thomas? No. You know me if you come a court today, and me text you and ask you when are the next court date. You don't tell me. Eh? You don't tell me, eh? So why when the freaking court done and gone, you are going to text me and tell me, oh, me supposed to come a court today? Yo, boss, don't make me get too rude. You don't know yourself. You don't know yourself. Mr. Thomas, you know people are looking at as the worst. Me I tell you that. People are looking at as the worst just to operate. Me I tell you that. Believe that, boss. Modern time now. We whine and come again. When is the worst, people are looking at as the worst. And you see Granville set of people them. You see Granville. Remember me telling you. A base stupidness go on at Granville. Remember me tell you. Even police tell me that a whole heap of people tell me. If you say me don't know, a whole heap of things go on at Granville. So Mr. Thomas, we whine and come again. You go text and tell me, oh, the 24th of March. The 24th of March, eh? Where you go charge me for? 3 criminal charge. Bang belly goat. Me never know now bang belly goat. I know me give you bad belly. I know me give you bad belly if you can live off of me, you know. Make sure to tell you that. You understand me? I know me give you no bang belly because me don't see two judge. How you fit tell a judge? You as me you represent me. And you tell the judge she cannot charge me for that. I know you have 3 criminal charges. Mr. Thomas, what you deal with? To your locks and cut out you get more conscious. No, big and serious. To your locks and cut out you get conscious. You're unconscious, boy. I have some things to say about I don't want to say it. I don't want to get too rude. Mr. Thomas, behave on yourself. And I'm hungry, I left Jamaica and come here so hungry. If I'm hungry, I yes, I come hungry. Remember me tell you that, yeah, Mr. Thomas? Yes, I come no hungry. Because I have my money. Since me meet this girl, I turn fucking papa. Eh? He suck little money out of me. I know you want to suck your blood out of me. You are a vampire. Lock me up and charge. Mr. Thomas, you don't know what I do, you know. When I punk, you know, boss. I tell you that, you know. You don't need to rewind. You need to go back and study for lawyer. I saw another people pick me and send them to prison innocent. Eh? Because you don't want me go to pinnacle with nothing. Because you know what I do. Mr. Thomas, no man no born big. Yes, sir. No man no born big. And you can't go around this youth. And me make sure tell the secretary if he tell you, give me my summons. But I don't want to go down for my summons. So. You think me don't know what I want? 2 judge. 2 lawyer. What I plan for them? The first judge, when Mr. Thomas tell the first judge, she cannot charge me for that. You know what woman do? Give me wrong court date. People, you believe that? Wrong court date. And you say me go back to court is a different judge. And you see different judge at the same matter. I want to take people for. Mr. Thomas, you're no good. He's not a liar. He's an informer. He's not a liar. No, serious. When he's an informer. Mr. Thomas, you need to know yourself. Oh no want to lock me behind bars. At that time I go get blood clots stronger. Here, peace on I get me down. None of uno. Pussy, uno meta kill me. Uno meta kill me. Don't talk that. Uno meta kill me. Yo, me know it's such a say no boss. Me don't know no plan for you. Me is a Jamaican. Me I come better than uno. That I want to think about. Why you don't know better on yourself before you care next man in our country? Or you go look at a man to marry to and bring him to your country. And when you bring him to your country now and you see say you progressive, you don't want that. When you bring him to come here, turn scruff. Boss, me never take up my money and say me I come here say no. And me never know when name Grenada until me meet that the girl there. You know. And ask her, people, if you don't know she, you can ask her how me meet her. Me put her somewhere. Then girl a word. Workless. That word is workless. Workless girl them there. Yeah. None of my sister. Me daddy never mingle with none of my sister. And for me that Jamaica, me tell you that. Even in a court at Granville, me tell you that. Eh? All I may tell, for me that Jamaica, me say, yo, my girl, oh yeah, move so. Yo, people, you hear me? I'm out. See you in the next video. The 24th of March. Dear media to know.